Now we start the second part of the tour here in Split. Come with me. We check it out, what is going on here in Split in the evening, in the summer evening. Let's go together. You see a lot of suns going on. I think we are going to go down this road here. Let's go together. I will go over here, past the street, and we'll go down that big road here. Let's go together. A lot of people going, and I'm following them. Let's get over there fast, and we go down that road. I'm excited to check to see what's going on over there.